Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Kids Tumbling Mat is probably one of the most versatile pieces of equipment for young athletes, providing a safe and comfortable surface for everything from gymnastics and cheerleading practice to simple backyard fun, ensuring that your child can tumble, flip, and play with confidence and reduced risk of injury, making it an essential addition to any home gym or play area for active kids. Number 5. AKSPORT Gymnastics Air Mat Tumble Track. Looking for an ideal gift for teenagers? This air mat provides a bouncy and safe surface for practicing gymnastics and tumbling. It comes in various sizes to suit different training needs and can even be connected for longer practice sessions. Take your training anywhere. This inflatable mat is perfect for gymnasiums, home use, schools, gardens, beaches, and even pools. With a wide range of sizes available, you can find the perfect fit for any activity. Crafted from high-quality, double-wall material and reinforced PVC, this mat ensures excellent airtightness and durability. Its leak-free design and premium materials make it incredibly safe and odor-free for your peace of mind. Get everything you need right out of the box. Your purchase includes an electric air pump, a convenient carry bag, and a repair kit. Inflating and deflating is a breeze, taking just minutes thanks to the high-quality, leak-proof valve. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are committed to providing excellent customer service and ensuring you are happy with your purchase. What we like? This inflatable mat offers exceptional bounce and safety, perfect for practicing gymnastics or tumbling. If you're looking for a versatile mat that can be used in various locations from home to the beach, this is an excellent choice. Its ability to connect with other mats also provides expandable training space. What people say? The mat is easy to assemble and provides a good surface for tumbling. It is durable and holds up well to frequent use. The mat is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around. Number 4. Safely Fun Foldable Gymnastics Bar for Kids. This gymnastics bar is designed with premium protection features. It includes a cushioned pad and a thick mat for added safety and comfort during training. Built with reinforced steel pipes and a stable triangular structure, it offers outstanding stability and durability. It can safely support up to 145 pounds for practice. Easily adjust the height from 35 to 51 inches to perfectly accommodate children ages 3 to 11. It grows with your child, making it an ideal training tool. It quickly folds from a full training bar into a compact size within seconds. This makes it perfect for easy transport and space-saving storage, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Setup is quick and simple with clear instructions. Kids can even help assemble it, making installation a fun parent-child activity. It's an excellent gift choice for any special occasion to encourage fitness and skill development. It also comes with a 1-year worry-free warranty and 24/7 customer support. What we like? This gymnastics bar is designed for growing children, offering adjustable heights and a sturdy frame that supports up to 145 pounds. If you need a space-saving solution that can be easily stored or transported for indoor or outdoor use, its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient. What people say? It's height adjustable, so as your child grows, you can move the bar up and create more height. There is a screw pin assemble that keeps it in place, instead of just a little pin. I think this was a great upgrade and made the unit very sturdy. The base has anti-slip grips and the design of the unit has a triangle base for stability. Number 3. Best Choice Products 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. Experience superior quality with this mat, built to last with sturdy stitching and a water-resistant surface. It's designed for durability and easy cleaning. Thanks to its 4-fold design, this mat folds up compactly for effortless storage. Integrated handles make it simple to carry wherever you need it. Enjoy excellent cushioning with 2 inches of high-density foam. It provides great support and absorbs impacts, resisting flattening over time. Moving your mat is a breeze with the convenient side handles. Take it to practice or simply move it around your home with ease. Need more space? Hook and loop fasteners allow you to connect multiple mats seamlessly. Expand your workout area to fit your needs. Unfolded, it offers a generous 120 inches long by 48 inches wide surface. The 2-inch thickness ensures comfort and safety during your activities. What we like? This mat provides substantial cushioning with its 2-inch thick EPE foam, ensuring a safe landing for various exercises. If you need a durable and easy-to-clean surface for gymnastics, aerobics, or general workouts, its water-resistant faux leather and foldable design make it practical for home use. What people say. It is softish foam with some bounce. The foam is thick enough for her activities, and a 260-pound man can walk on it without his foot sinking through the foam to the floor. No, the foam is dense enough to hold him up even standing in one place, but it gives beautifully for tumbling and crashing. The covering feels durable, thick, smooth without being shiny, and will be easy to wipe and clean. The easy fold-up structure of this mat allows us to keep it in our living room and then quickly tuck away when needed. Number 2. Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar for Kids. Introducing the Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar, designed for aspiring gymnasts aged 3 to 15. It's built with a sturdy steel frame and an anti-slip base for maximum safety. This bar boasts excellent stability with a high-quality construction that can support up to 300 pounds. Its robust structure and non-slip base ensure a secure and enjoyable experience for your child. With 10 adjustable height levels, ranging from 3 to 6 feet, it perfectly accommodates children of all ages and sizes. They can train and play at their ideal height. It includes a soft, durable 2 cm thick PVC mat for added comfort and protection. This helps reduce pressure on joints and muscles, boosting confidence during practice. Setting up is a breeze with clear instructions and minimal tools required. You'll have it ready for action in no time, making home gymnastics accessible and easy. Looking for a fantastic holiday gift? This gymnastics bar with a mat is a wonderful present for any child passionate about gymnastics and staying active. What we like. This gymnastics bar is built for serious young athletes, boasting a high weight capacity of 300 pounds and extensive height adjustability. If you are looking for a robust and stable home gym setup that prioritizes safety with its anti-slip base and comfortable padding, this option is ideal for dedicated training. What people say. The bar is incredibly sturdy and well-made, which was my top concern when purchasing it. Even with both kids swinging and doing flips, the bar holds up perfectly without wobbling or shifting. The height is adjustable, which means it will grow with them, and I appreciate that it's something they can use for years to come. Excellent stability. I was worried about it wobbling, but the steel construction is very solid. It stays grounded even when she's practicing more active moves. Number 1. Antsy Pants Kids Tumbling Mat. Unleash your child's imagination with this versatile mat, perfect for gymnastics, yoga, and endless active play. It's designed to provide hours of fun and fitness for your little ones. Our thick foam mat offers superior cushioning and stability, creating a secure environment for your child to practice and play. They can tumble and explore with confidence. Life with kids can get messy, but this mat is designed for it. It easily wipes clean and resists tears, ensuring durable fun for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Take the fun on the go. This lightweight, foldable mat with a convenient handle makes it easy to carry and store. It's perfect for bringing active play to any location. Connect it with other mats or beams to create an even larger play space. The possibilities for gymnastics and active fun are endless with this expandable design. What we like. This tumbling mat is perfect for active play and skill development, offering a safe and durable surface that's also easy to maintain. If you prioritize portability and convenience for your child's gymnastics, yoga, or general active fun, its lightweight, foldable design and expandable options make it a versatile choice for any setting. What people say. It is very easy to assemble and disassemble. The mat is thick and provides good cushioning for tumbling. The material is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.